Some locations that will experience flooding include Mansfield. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Wood County in north central Texas, Somervell County in north central Texas, southeastern Erath County in north central Texas, northwestern Bosque County in central Texas until 11:45 p.m. At 10:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Glen Rose, or 18 miles south of Granbury, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Granbury, Pecan Plantation, Glen Rose, Iredell, Dinosaur Valley State Park, Walnut Springs, Tiller and Morgan. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for north central Texas.